This will be my new home after the divorce.
Anyways. Alright, so tomorrow Jada will be graduating from elementary school. How do you feel about that?
Happy, excited, and I also feel nervous because I don't know what middle school holds. But yeah, I'm still technically excited though.
Yeah. You gonna feel, how you feel about graduation tomorrow? Like,
I feel good. I feel proud of myself because I haven't failed a single grade, so I actually feel kind of good. Yeah. I failed single grade and I'm about to go to 6th grade, so yeah, it feels good.
Yeah, it feels good. Anyhow, as you can see, this head of his
is terrible.
Horrible. I've already kind of gave him a soft line. Put your head in the camera, son. Come in the camera, son. Can't give him too much sneak peek of the room, but yeah, he's looking a little crusty, dusty, little musty.
Hey, you just washed my hair.
I just laugh. But yeah, so we're about to just do his hair. It probably won't be, I don't know, probably take a good 2 hours to do. I already started trimming his hair and stuff, so we just gonna try some styles, see what he wants for graduation.
I want my hair down.
So, it's gonna be out of your face.
I like this.
I don't.
Well, technically, I want it done but like this.
What?
I want it done, but like this. It's more me.
This is you.
Yes, it's me.
Well, you finna be somebody else for graduation tomorrow, cause that hair finna be slick, slick down, slick back.
Slick smooth.
After they call your name, it can go however you want it to go.
They gotta call everybody else in there first.
Well, whatever. You ain't finna be looking like no ragamuffin. But anyhow, let's do this boy's big head. Help us all.
this junky room. Good morning. Here you clothes. I just ironed them. You ready for today? Ready? Come on. It's already after 7. I put another loop in your belt too.
Alright, it's time to get dressed. Let's go. Final touch. So just to recap, I'm graduating elementary school today. This is why I'm dressed up like this.